No matter how much we prepare for photo sessions, sometimes we forget a client's name. In this video, I'm going to give you a very simple trick to get past that situation. Hey, this is Scott Weidenkivowitz, a storyteller with a camera, talking about all the things photographers like you and I are thinking about. In this video, we're going to talk about how to remember your client's name when you forgot it. We've all been there. We've been in situations where we're in the middle of, capturing photos of our client, and we remember maybe, the man's name, but we don't remember the girl's name, or, something happens and we just forget the name. As photographers, we have so much going on behind the scenes that clients don't think about. We make mistakes. It happens. We make mistakes. But one of the things that makes a professional photographer is the ability to fake it. Or as my friend Blake Rudis says, fake it till you make it. Professional photographers make mistakes look like they're not mistakes. Professional photographers make mistakes look real, like they were meant to be. So I want to give you a quick tip to get past the situation when you forgot your client's name. Are you the type of photographer that chimps, that looks at the back of your camera, looks at the screen every few minutes to just make sure things are still okay, your exposure is still good and stuff like that it's actually writing to the memory card? If you're not, you might want to now, because the trick is actually to take your phone or take a notepad or something and actually write down your client's name. And then with your camera, the first photo you take with your camera before your client session actually starts is take a picture of those names. What is going to happen at that point is you can actually scroll through your photos, and then when you get to the last photo, which is usually the last one you captured, you just hit next, it jumps back to the first photo, and you have your client's name again. So all you have to do is just chimp. That's it. Chimp, go to the next photo. And then you're gonna have your client's names. I hope that you dig this trick. It's very simple. Again, notepad, piece of paper, whiteboard, or your phone. Just take a picture of it before you actually start your client session, and you're all done. You got your names. All good. If you like this video, click that subscribe button below now. I publish new videos every Monday and Thursday, whenever possible. You don't wanna miss it.